Okay, everybody. You hear the noise in the background? She's gonna freaking. She's spitting in your face. Yeah, it needs light, damn it. Look at her, she's stuck on the fuck. Do it again. Freaking head. She's all, I've been doing it for a while now.
You're watching Fox 9 for entertainment. Check out my Fox 9. Nothing says neighborly like a barbecue.
Mama.